What's going on, my YouTube family? How's everybody doing today? I'm that wood guy, Huckleberry Finn, with my long hair and this beautiful sun hat, and representing C&K Sisters Firewood shirt. We're out here hauling locusts today, and we're gonna get on the road and bring it to the sawmill. That's what we do. Oh yeah. we go from delivering locust logs to receiving baby birds in the processor. I don't know if you guys can hear that. And I'm not frustrated with nature. It's more or less just frustrated with the mechanical component that I need to just take apart to get him out. I think I just got extremely lucky. I didn't get it on camera, but I just seen mama bird fly in there and two of them just flew out. It looked like the baby flew out with her. I'm really hoping so, because that just saves me from having to tear this thing apart. I don't hear them in there anymore, and I've been knocking. I even took a little stick and just kind of just gently wiggled. So the machine's been sitting here a little bit because I've been out in the woods so much cutting, and I think that's why they've been thinking that this is a new home. So hopefully the noise and the commotion up here will keep them at bay. So let's get back to processing. I know this is kind of a mixed video, but gotta save the bird first. Let's go. We finally have the deck loaded up with some beautiful ash, and Papa Grizz is actually out here. He's taking over the dyna, little Bob on the job, and we're processing up some ash. Trailer's filling up nice. Beautiful product, hauled right out of the woods. Oh yeah, and this wood, guys, is green. Pure green, unseasoned, wet wood, being all ash. Just so green. All unseasoned. Green wood, unseasoned ash. All fresh, unseasoned. I haven't really done a tour of this place, but man, when I get here, do I miss it when I have to go. 65 acres of pure Adirondack forest, wilderness, piece of it. Right here, Harrisville, Little Rochester. Grandma and Grandpa's place, Grandma and Grandpa's garage. There's our home. basement, Tuffy. It's all just waiting here always for us. And it's hard to, when you get here, have to go back. It's just something about it. Hard to explain. Maybe you have to grow up here and have as many memories and good times as us kids have had, but I think it goes a little beyond that, and I think the roots go beyond that too. What do you think, Faith? Yeah, so I love this place. The sheds, all nice and mowed. What a piece of heaven here on earth.